Welcome back to Soulful Kitchen, and today we are making some rum punch. Now I want to call this one a crowd pleaser. I am a little biased, but honestly this rum punch that I'm about to show you is so sweet that you can barely even tell that you're drinking rum. So the rums that I use are white rum and coconut rum. And in terms of juices, I use orange juice and I also use a little bit of pineapple juice, but I'm definitely more biased towards the orange juice. And now to enhance the sweetness, I use the juice from some limes and I also add the grenadine/strawberry syrup. Now this grenadine, honestly, I think makes all the difference because it just makes the rum so sweet and honestly so delicious that you can't even tell that you're really about to get drunk. I also add in some sliced oranges, and you'll see here that I'm adding an extra shot of white rum just to get it a little stronger. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.